Hello everyone, so this is how you can get a TikTok shop discount codes. What you have to do first is open your web browser and then search for TikTok shop coupon code. As you can see here, my search history. As you can see here, there are so many websites that are providing a coupon code. You can try one of these, but I'm going to recommend you to use this website called Groupon, because this is a legit website. You can click it. And as you can see here, there are so many promo here. 45% off, summer sale, top coupon, back to school, trending, and many more. If you want to claim it, you just click one of these code. For example, I'm going to choose this 45% off. Right here, you just have to click shop now here, and then it will direct you to your TikTok shop. And if you want to know the latest update of the coupon, so you never miss a great TikTok shop coupon, as you can see here, you can type your email address and then click subscribe, so you will never miss the latest coupon. As I said, there are so many websites that you can utilize, not only group coupon, but also you can use this couponation, all coupon. It's all the same. You just have to click the option and then it will direct you to your TikTok shop account. So I think that's all for it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.